Hi, boys and girls. For math, here is our learning target. Our learning target is we can count straws and say 10 ways to 20. Make a pile for 10. So here is our word problems. Everybody needs to go to page 27, a 2 and a 7. I'm going to write it up here. And Ms. Bina can go ahead and pause the video until everybody is on page 27. And make sure to do a friend check. So Brandon, make a friend check. Jandel, make a friend check. Venecia, make a friend. Bella, make a friend check. Elisa, make a friend check. And Evie, make a friend check. Okay, so let's go ahead and get started. So it says Pat covered 16 holes when playing the flute. She covered 10 holes with her finger on the first note she played. She covered 6 holes on the next note she played. Okay, so how many did she cover first? 10. So let's go ahead and draw 10 circles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. So write the number 10. Good job. Okay, how many did she cover on her next note? 6. So let's make 6 X's. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Awesome. Let's say it together the 10 way. 10 ones and 6 ones make 16. One more time. Ready? 10 ones, 6 ones make 16. Good job. One more time, boys and girls. 10 ones and 6 ones make 16. Go ahead and flip your page. Okay, here's our directions. It says circle 10 things, touch and count the say 10 way. Count your 10 ones first, put a check over the loose ones, and draw a line to see which one matches. So here we go. Ready? Let's count these. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So we know that this has 10. And then it tells us to put a check on the ones that are loose. So 1, 2, 3. So let's say it the 10 way. Let's say it the 10 way. 10 ones and 3 ones make 13. Which one has a 10 and a 3? Good job. This one. So you're going to go ahead and get it and make a line. So here we go. Let's do the next one. Ready? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Go ahead and circle that. And then it tells us to put a check on the loose ones. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, now let's say it the 10 way. 10 ones and 4 ones make 14. Let's do it one more time. 10 ones and 4 ones make 14. Which one of these has a 10 and a 4? Good job. This one. So you're going to grab it and pull it. Right there. Let's go ahead and move to the pineapples. Here we go. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. You're going to go ahead and circle that one. So that's 10. And then we're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. You're going to go ahead and circle that one. Now that's 10. Let's say it the 10 way. 10 ones and 10 ones make 20. One more time. 10 ones and 10 ones make 20. Which one has a 10 and a 10? This one. Good job. So go ahead and make the line. Let's do the next one. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. let's put a check on the ones that are loose. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So let's say it again the 10 way. 10 ones and 7 ones make 17. Which one has a 10 and a 7? Good job. This one, so you're going to get it and you're going to drag it all the way down. Now let's do the last one. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. You know this is 10, and then you have 1. So let's say it the 10 way. Ready? 10 ones plus 1 1 is 11. Which one only has 10 and a 1? This one. Good job. So you're going to grab it and bring it all the way down. Good job, boys and girls. You're going to go ahead and flip the page. And we're going to fill in the blank. So 10 ones and 1 ones is 11. 10 ones and 2 ones is 12. 10 ones and 3 ones is 13. 10 ones and 4 ones is 14. 10 ones and 5 ones is 15. 10 ones and 6 ones is 16. 10 ones and 7 ones is 17. 10 ones and 8 ones is 18. 10 ones and 9 ones is 19. And 10 ones and 10 ones is 20. Good job, boys and girls. Go ahead and give yourself a happy face. And have fun at specials.